Welcome back to Bike Extraction, the channel where we uncover the real stories behind the world's most fascinating two-wheel machines. Whether it's a high-performance superbike or a small-capacity scooter with a big personality, we go deeper so you know exactly what makes each ride special. Today we're diving into a scooter that breaks every stereotype about what a scooter should be. It's bold, boxy, and designed with a rebellious streak. This is the Honda ZoomerX, a machine that proves practical commuting doesn't have to be boring. The ZoomerX traces its roots back to the original Honda Zoomer, also known as the Ruckus in North America. That bike became a cult icon for its stripped-down, rugged design. Honda saw the potential to push that idea further in Asia, where scooters dominate city life. The ZoomerX was born as a response to young riders who wanted more than just efficiency. They wanted style, identity, and freedom on two wheels. At first glance, the ZoomerX looks more like a piece of urban art than a simple scooter. Its exposed frame isn't just for aesthetics, it also reinforces structural rigidity. The square LED headlamp with the distinctive X motif, the compact tail section, and the chunky 12-inch tubeless tires all combine to give it a look that's part scooter, part mini motorcycle. Honda didn't play it safe. They built a scooter that makes a visual statement every time it rolls down the street. Beneath the bodywork is Honda's tried-and-true 110 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. It uses PGM-FI fuel injection, which guarantees consistent performance and easy starts in any weather. Output is modest at about 8.8 horsepower, but the delivery is smooth and responsive, perfect for weaving through congested city traffic. The CVT automatic transmission ensures effortless riding, making it ideal for both new riders and experienced commuters who simply want convenience. Fuel economy is where the ZoomerX really shines. With a rating of roughly 53 km per liter, it translates to more than 120 miles per gallon. That's not just a number, it's a superpower for city riders. You could ride for days on a single tank, saving both time and money. In cities where traffic jams are the norm, this level of efficiency is a game changer. It's one of the reasons the ZoomerX has become a popular choice for students and young professionals. Unlike most scooters in its class, the ZoomerX comes equipped with upside-down front forks. This isn't just a cosmetic upgrade, it improves front-end stability and gives riders more confidence when cornering or riding over uneven pavement. Paired with its lightweight 106 kg frame and wide 12-inch tires, the scooter feels agile and planted. Whether you're dodging potholes or taking tight backstreets, the ZoomerX feels more responsive than its numbers might suggest. Honda included its combined brake system, which links the front and rear brakes together for safer, more balanced stopping power. The front disc brake adds extra bite, while the rear drum keeps maintenance simple and affordable. For a scooter aimed at younger riders, this system is a smart safety net. It helps prevent skids and adds confidence in unpredictable stop-and-go traffic. Storage is often the deciding factor for scooter buyers, and here Honda took a bold risk. Instead of a closed, under-seat compartment, the ZoomerX uses an open storage bay. While you can't lock a full-face helmet inside, the open design allows for odd-shaped items like skateboards, backpacks, or groceries. It's a clever nod to youth culture, where carrying your gear is just as important as carrying your ride. The scooter also features a digital instrument cluster, LED lighting, and a seat height of just 763 mm, making it approachable for riders of all sizes. The Honda ZoomerX isn't a scooter for everyone. It's not meant for highway cruising or long-distance travel. It's meant for the city, for riders who want efficiency, individuality, and a scooter that matches their lifestyle. Priced between $1,700 and $2,000, it offers tremendous value, especially when you consider Honda's legendary reliability and resale strength. The ZoomerX proves that a scooter can be more than just transportation, it can be an extension of personality, a practical tool wrapped in bold design, and a daily ride that never feels dull.